Hey, it's Latoya Watts, also known as LT, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resize your YouTube channel art. Alright, so a lot of you are out here in business and you're building your brand, but some of this internet stuff can get really tricky and a bit techy. So if you're like myself, you may have not figured it all out and you want to look as professional as you can to your audience, okay? So I'm going to share how to resize your YouTube channel art, okay? So as you can see, I'm logged into my YouTube account already. I'm going to just head on over and grab a particular image, okay? It is a process to do this. What you don't see on the back end is me using the different apps to customize my art, okay? I like to personally brand myself. I like to create everything myself. I'm not paying anyone to do it for me. It is my own efforts, okay? So it takes a combination of Pick Collage as well as Canva app to create my YouTube channel art, okay? So because I've already created it, I'm going to head on over to my Facebook account where I sent my work. Alright, I'm just going to go to my messenger. I'm going to click on the image that I would like. And I'm just going to left click my mouse and save as. Just going to save this image here to my desktop. Alright, so then I'm going to head over to my resizing site and you're going to see why, okay? So my resizing site is resizeimage.net. Resizeimage.net, okay? It's free and you can use it right away to resize your images. Alright, so as you can see, there's a few simple steps to resize your YouTube channel art. Alright, so I'm just going to go over and click the upload button. And I'm just looking in my desktop tab for the image that I just saved. There it is. Gonna hit open. And as it configures, the image will pop up here, okay? So step 2, it says to crop your image. We're not going to do anything with any of the information in step 2, okay? What you want to do is Continue to scroll down to step 3. No rotation. You leave everything in step 3 as is. Okay. Here's where you want to resize your YouTube channel art. Alright, because I learned it this way, this is how I'm going to teach it to you. In this first box here, I'm just going to clear it out. I'm going to leave it at, I'm going to enter 46 for the percentage. And in this second box here, because YouTube specifies the amount of pixels it would like your cover art to be, I'm going to enter the appropriate pixels. 2560 by 1440. Alright. Gonna do nothing with step 5. Step 6, all I'm gonna do is click on the JPG. Alright. And I'm just gonna leave it as best image quality. Alright. And then I'm going to click on resize image. You can see my old image pixels here. You can see the new image pixels here. And this is what YouTube highly recommends. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is download image. I'm going to click open. And as the image pops up, I'm just going to resave this image. So I'm just going to left click my mouse, save as. Going to make a file name. And then I'm just going to hit save. Alright, now that I know that that image is saved, I'm going to head back over to YouTube. And once you get to your channel, this can only be done by desktop, guys, not mobile version of your phone. I am just going to click on the camera button here. And then I'm going to select a photo from my computer. As you can see, it says right here, recommended channel art size 2560 by 1440, max file size 6 megabytes. So if you didn't know how I got that number for the size of the channel art, that's where I got it from. So you're going to click on select photo from computer. And again, I'm just going to go back over and look for my saved image that is now resized. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit open. It's going to upload, and once it configures, it's going to show you what your cover channel art is going to look like on the desktop, on the TV, as well as any mobile device. Alright, so just in case you guys were wondering how people were doing their channel art, that's exactly how you resize your channel art to get it the perfect fit for your channel. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to just hit that select button. It's now saving. So my channel art now appears pink. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial. If you got any value out of my video, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Also, be sure to like and subscribe my channel so that you can stay informed with all the latest tips, trainings, and marketing strategies that I have to share with you. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also hit that bell. And I will see you on the next video.